Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna share tutorial of TikTok trend called Paint the Town Red, advanced result. Let's get started. Get your clips ready. Go to Video Effects, and then go to Texture and select Doodle Diary. Set Texture, Sticker and Filter 0. Make the length of effect equal to the length of first clip. Now click on first clip and go to Adjust. Click on Saturation and set Saturation -30. Bring the pointer to second clip and again go to Video Effects. Then go to Opening and Closing and select Diamond Zoom. Make its length equal to the length of second clip. Click on Adjust and set its speed 100. Then go to Overlay and add White Page as Overlay. Zoom to fit into the frame. Go to Blend and select Overlay. Make the length of overlay equal to the length of second clip. Go to Animation and select Fade Out. Make its duration to full. Now click on third clip and go to Animation. And select Rock vertically. Apply to the rest of the clips as well. Now go to Effects and copy the effect of second clip. Drag it to the next clip and make its length equal to length of next clip. Keep the process going till last clip. Now go to Overlay. Copy the existing overlay and drag it to fourth clip. Make its length equal to the length of clip. Go to Animation and set its duration to full. Keep the process going till last clip. Add a white overlay between second and third clip. Zoom to fit into the frame. Make its length shorter. Now simply copy it. Make sure one overlay is before the center point and other is after the center point. Click on first one and go to Mask. Select Rectangle and move the overlay to a side so that the center dot touches the boundary of frame. Do the same to other but change the side of frame. Go to Blend and set its opacity 65. Click on the first one and copy it and drag it to the end of 9th clip. Copy the other one and drag it to the start of 10th clip. Now go to Adjust, then click on Filters. Set Saturation -10. Sharpen 20. Shadow -20. And Vignette 20. Expand it to the last clip. Now add lyrics as overlay link given in description. Go to Blend and select Filter. Split it at the end point of first clip. Add a keyframe at the start of overlay and zoom out the overlay at this keyframe. Add another at the end and fit the overlay into the frame at this keyframe. And we're done.